What's up, guys? Scott Jelinek here. I'm back at this same house with Alex. I think you may remember it. We did a video here as it was being demoed, and so now it is complete. I'm going to give you a walkthrough so you can see the inside, but I'm sitting with Alex, so I wanted to ask you first off, how much did you end up spending on the rehab versus how much you thought you were going to spend?
So initially thought we were going to spend $45,000 on the rehab. It ended up being closer to 60 to 65, including the termite moisture. So
It's $20,000 more than expected. That's interesting. If you were only planning on a $20,000 profit, you would have a problem right now. So then the next question, the ultimate question is, how much did you end up selling it for, and how much is going to be your net profit?
So because the market's so crazy, we actually put the price pretty high. Got less than what we asked for, but still more than expected at 205. So we're going to profit $47,000 profit on this.
$47,000 profit, and it went $20,000 over the rehab budget. So now I'm going to take you for a quick walk through inside so you can see what the house looks like and see what you get these days. This is in Norfolk for $205,000.
Correct.
All right, I'm going to take you inside now so you can see the inside. I remember when these houses were 80 grand. Not today. And that's it. It's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. And there's your 1 bath. All right, Alex. Any parting words?
See us on the next video.